A breed of chicken is completely featherless.
This is the result of research conducted by Israeli scientists to adapt to the hot climate of the country. These chickens will grow very quickly because they don't need the energy to grow feathers. They will also tolerate heat better than regular chickens, helping farm owners reduce costs for cooling systems, and of course, processing them will be much easier. However, many experts also oppose this idea, stating that featherless chickens might be more susceptible to skin diseases and vulnerable to mosquito and parasite attacks. Additionally, a completely featherless chicken would not be able to mate, as it cannot flap its wings to maintain balance when climbing onto the back of a roosting chicken.